Biography of Vandana Shiva. Dr. Vandana Shiva is a world renowned ecological feminist and activist who has campaigned against GMOs, intellectual property rights, and free trade. Time magazine named Dr. Shiva an environmental hero in 2003. Early life of Vandana Shiva. Vandana Shiva was born in Dehradun on 5 November 1952. She is Indian scholar, environmental activist, food sovereignty advocate, ecofeminist, and anti-globalization author. She attended St. Mary Convent High School in Nainital and later the Convent of Jesus and Mary in Dehradun. In the early 1970s, Vandana Shiva participated in a women tree hugging movement that was campaigning against the deforestation of highland in northern India. In 1972, she graduated with a bachelor's in science after studying physics at the University of Punjab in Chandigarh. Afterwards, she pursued a master's in the philosophy of science from the University of Guelph. She wrote her thesis on changes in the concept of periodicity of life in 1977. The following year, she received her doctorate in philosophy from the University of Western Ontario in Canada. Dr. Shiva's dissertation was on the topic Hidden Variable and Locality in Quantum Theory. Later, she shifted her focus to interdisciplinary research in various fields of science, technology, and environmental science. Dr. Shiva studies these disciplines at the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore, and Indian Institute of Science. Awards won by Vandana Shiva. She won Alternative Nobel Prize or Right Livelihood Award in 1993, Order of the Golden Ark in 1993, Global 500 Award of UN in 1993, Earth Day International Award in 1993, Lennon Ono Grant for Peace in 2008, Sydney Peace Prize in 2010, Calgary Peace Prize in 2011, Thomas Martin Award in 2011, Virangana Award in 2018, and the Sanctuary Wildlife Award in 2018, International Environment Summit and Award in 2018. The major achievement by Vandana Shiva. She is a chair of the Commission on the Future of Food in Italy, member of National Board of Organic Standards in India, board member of the International Forum on Globalization, member of Prince Charles Expert Group on Sustainable Agriculture in United Kingdom, member of the steering committee of this Indian People campaign against the WTO, a member of President Zapatero Scientific Committee in Spain. Vandana Shiva selected work. Staying Alive, Women, Ecology and Survival in India in 1988, The Violence of the Green Revolution in 1991, Ecofeminism, co-authored with Mary Miles in 1993, Water Wars, Privatization, Pollution and Profit in 2002, Monoculture of the Mind, Perspective on Biodiversity in 2011, Biopiracy, The Plunder of Nature and Knowledge in 2011, Stolen Harvest, the hijacking of the global food supply in 2015, Making Peace with the Earth 2011. She participated in many activism also. Ecofeminism. Ecofeminism refers to a branch of feminism that sees the relationship between women and the environmental fundamentally entwined through their operation. As a part of radical ecology, ecofeminism advocates against the patriarchal ideology that dominates and exploits both women and nature. Dr. Vandana Shiva is a key figure in the ecofeminist movement. In her 2004 article Empowering Women, she advocated a woman centric approach to farming in India for more productive results. She believed that involving women in environmental work would have a positive impact on the earth. Thank you.